Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlink Instagram from Facebook in 2023 and vice versa. So first we want to go to the Instagram application. Once it has loaded, we want to go to our profile. Then from here, from within our profile, we want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then we go to settings and privacy. So from here, the account center should be at the very top. So I'll click on accounts center. Then from here, we want to select accounts. And right here, you should see your connected Facebook account. So basically all we have to do if you want to remove it is simply click on remove. And then we select remove account. Of course, you have other options as well. Manage how you log in and manage how you share content, but we just want to remove it altogether. So click on remove account. It will show you the access that's going to be lost for all other connected experiences. So just click on continue, remove and the account name. And that's it. You removed your account. If you change your mind, you can re-add this account at any time. So that's how you do it. That's how you remove a Facebook account from Instagram in 2023. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.